Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick catch up on some of my plants that I'm started going, sorry, excuse my language. As you can see, there are my beautiful pelargoniums that I bought last year from Fine Bricks Nurseries. I cannot recommend them enough. You get brilliant quality plants at a reasonable price. But what this video is about powdery mildew. How to spot it, how to treat it. I've just had a look at these pencil and cuttings I've taken. We'll just get a look up here, shall we? Getting out of the way, sorry about this. Hope everybody had a good Christmas, by the way. Nice and quiet here, but we didn't have turkey or chicken, we had steak, which was gorgeous. Getting back to this one, as you can see, powdery mildew there. That's what to look for. Just get a better. As you can see that underneath the leaves, I sprayed these, but I didn't spray them well enough. So I want to keep these cuttings. I don't want to get rid of them. So what I'm going to do is mix some spray up and show you how I treat them. Bear Garden fungus fighter concentrate. This is for ornamental plants only. These are, I think, the fungus fighter concentrate plus that you can use on some veg, some fruits. So I'll be getting some more of that. But this is great because it makes litres and litres of the stuff. So always make sure you've got a well signed container so you know exactly what you're adding it and what's going to be put in it, what you're going to be using. So I'll mix some of this up and I'll just show you how I go about treating my plants. Right, this is something that I've made up. I've given it a good shake, and what you need to do then is just give it a really good dousing. When you get underneath, make sure you get right underneath the leaves, anything that's hiding away, like so. Once I've sprayed this, I won't spend any time in the greenhouse. I'll leave the window open and I'll then go and let this dry. But yeah, as you can see, I've given such a good soaking. And once that's dried, that will go back in my propagator. And I shall also spray my pelargoniums, because these get another fungus on them. Forgot the name of it now, my dyslexia is terrible. I always forgetting the name of things. Yeah, give that a really good soak, like so. Botrytis, that's it. Remembered it now. But yeah, that's for that. You get that on the leaves and on the flowers, because it's really humid environment in here. So they're looking nice and healthy. There's no fungus or mould on any of them. So yeah, if you've got any questions about powdery mildew and how to treat your plants, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe, everybody. I'm happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.